Meet the Paint Thickness Meter, a smart and easy tool for checking coating thickness on metal surfaces. It comes with a durable ruby probe, supports zero adjustment, lets you change units, and offers multiple language options. Use it in 3 modes: for iron, aluminum, or auto mode that detects the material for you. The front LCD screen stays clear even in bright light. The top OLED screen works great in cold weather. Stay connected with Bluetooth data transmission. Operate through the mobile app to record test results, generate test reports, and save or share them effortlessly. A smart 3-color backlight display lets you know where you stand. White for normal range, yellow for caution, and red for warning. Thickness meter. Measure with confidence wherever the job takes you.